Hi everyone, it's Brad here. Just a quick demo to show my plastic globe lights that I've set up, also known as the reject shop lights. I've got 10 of them. I've taken the stakes off at the moment, only because they wouldn't stand up right for me, just for this demo purposes. I've knocked up a quick sequence. Let's have a look and see how they look. So I've put in two square 5-volt 2811 pixels into them. Originally I was planning on putting in one, then when I got them they fit neatly with the screw holes that were with the previous lights. And I just thought sequencing they might help just to vary what I can do with it basically. I've also put them on 50cm pigtails. They are going to be spaced out a bit in the front yard. That's mainly the reason why.